Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name is Barry. Today I'm going to be taking off my front lip. It's cracked thanks to the shipping company. I shipped it from the United States to Germany. Now I got to take the front lip off and get it repaired. But I was like, okay, you know what? Might as well make a tutorial on how to take off the front bumper, because I'm going to take the front bumper off, take the front lip off, and then put the front bumper back on. So for those that need an instructional video on how to take a bumper off for Lexus RCF, this is it. Now this bumper may look kind of sophisticated, but it's actually very simple to remove, and I will show you. Okay, so I lined them up. Let's just drive the car forward. Oh well, that works. Good enough there. Yeah, it's fine. It's good enough. Alright, open up the hood. Alright, this part is pretty easy. You just gotta remove these, so press these in. Press them in, and then you can lift them up. So, lift up. Lift up. These actually are easy to lose, so try not to lose them. Okay. Got 3 going right there. Push right there, and it should be pull up. Oh, there goes one more. There goes another one. There goes another one. See, so easily lost. Might want to be careful. Okay, I think all the main ones are removed. Oh, I still got one more. Okay, looking good. Now I can remove this front part. Yep. Now I can set it aside. Alright, next part is going to be 10 millimeters. Okay, I got my 3/8 drive, got a long extension there with a 10 millimeter deep socket, and ready to go. Next step, we'll remove 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. Millimeters. These are all 10 millimeters. Now that one's removed, that one's removed, and that one's removed, we have to pry this one out, pry that open, and pry that out as well. Flathead. You can achieve that with a Lexus OEM screwdriver. And one more. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 of these ones that you pry out with a flathead. I'm probably just missing one, but that should be loose. Okay, now we gotta go for inside the wheel well. What you need is either a Phillips from the Lexus OEM screwdriver, or you need a 10 millimeter. Your choice. Right there, lefty loosey. It'd probably be better if you move this wheel. I didn't do that, but it's okay. But you know what? I got it. But this other one, I'm going to move the wheel and use the screwdriver. I'm going to need to move the steering wheel. Probably to the left. And still made it on. Okay, now that's exposed, got my Phillips OEM screwdriver, and here we go. Locate the screw. Should be right there. And lefty loosey. Nothing too hard. This Lexus screwdriver is designed to take apart this whole car if you need to. other than the bolts. But if it's got a screw, this thing can do it. I'm keeping everything here because to consolidate before I lose something, which I don't want to lose anything, especially when everything kind of blends in with the ground. Believe it or not, we are not done. We have to go with the underside. I like to use a deep socket and my 3/8. Okay, let's go for underneath. My underside is very destroyed, but you're going to need to remove one over there, one over here, over here. You'll just see all the 10 millimeters down the line. All right, that's one of them right there. Just keep going down the line. Be a lot. Okay. There's another one. Maybe one right here. These 10 millimeter screws should be exposed. They're pretty easily accessible. 10 millimeter or a Phillips. Yeah, my undercarriage is very destroyed. I accidentally forgot to put the I forgot to tighten this, and then it like blew, and the wind just kind of caught and it just like ripped out my entire fender liner. It's all right. But anyways, this should be, oh wow. But yeah, it looks like we're ready to remove this. Which I like to save for last is rip this apart. You just gotta do it. See that? It comes apart. You just gotta do it. And you just gotta rip it. It's okay. Fender tabs are still good. Okay, so now that you have it here, leave it hanging, and you're going to want to disconnect the parking sensors. Now that we got that, got some sort of cardboard. It's probably not enough, but oh well, whatever. My lip's getting fixed. And you just really just take it anywhere you need to go. For me, I'm gonna leave it right here. Yep, that's how you take apart a Lexus RCF front bumper. Yeah, now to take apart the front lip. Well, this next part, I'm just gonna take apart all of these bolts that I put on there. I use some 11s, some size 11s. Everything's almost just straight rusted. Excellent. That one's good. Let's see if we can remove this one. I gotta undo everything that I did. But that's what you gotta do to install a lip and remove a lip. Ah, man. Fiberglass. I should probably be wearing gloves. Yeah. Okay. Yep, and the bumper's good. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, and detached. There we go. Now that everything's a mess and discombobulated, now I'm gonna get this fixed, but let's put this bumper back. 2 hands, put it on the thing. These pieces will go over. Before we forget, we gotta plug the sensors back in. Highly recommend to plug it in and then kind of pull on it a little bit. Otherwise, because that first over there, plugged it in, but it wasn't all the way in. You gotta hear that snap. So if it doesn't align up top, it's because down here is not aligned the way it should be, because this has to go inside, inside here. All these little tabs right here, it needs to come down. After ensuring that all of underneath is in, right? Plastics should be inside, and then you should be good to go. And then you align all this. See how everything matches up now? Okay. right, don't tighten everything, just make sure it's in place. We're going to snap this back in. Alright, that's all in place. Now we can start tightening things. Okay, it's a good amount of hand tightening, it's good. Alright, now we're going to put these back in. Alright, I should probably get myself another one of these, but hey, my bumper stayed on the whole time. Can't really put the camera in there, but it's in there. Snug on it. Nope, nothing coming out. Nope, nothing coming out, so it's good to go. Alright, now let's put the entire piece back in. Position back in place. That should be this should be the easiest part. But we do have to push these back in, so we could put that in. Pushing these back in, and yep. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like these, whenever I see a junkyard and I see these, I just instantly take them because I know how valuable these are. They're so easy to break and so easy to lose. I don't know, I like to stock up on these. I don't know about you guys, how you feel about these. Okay, last but not least, bam. 1, 2, dun, 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 dun. It's all there. Okay, finally, let's not forget about the bumper one that goes underneath. Gotta make sure these 10mm screws are on there correctly. Okay, everything's back together. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If I taught you as well, let me know. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. But I'm excited to get that fixed. And yeah, just for anybody that need to learn how to take off the RCF bumper, this is how you do it. So my pain is your education. So that was suffering. So all right, hope you guys enjoy. Peace, like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Peace.